Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm out here at the park today, show you guys something I was able to find on Amazon from back in the day. A blast from the past, y'all. The Dromida Ominus. Yes, I did find this on Amazon too. Somebody in the comments did mention that I should review or do a video on the Dromida Ominus, but I told them unfortunately I didn't have one, and so that's what got me curious as to if these things were still available. And I was able to find it on Amazon again. I have tested it, and that was my first time flying a Dromida Ominus, and it seemed a little lackluster, but it definitely beats a lot of the quads of today because it doesn't have altitude hold. But it seemed like it flew a little heavy for me. I think it suffers a lot from vortex ring state when you're not flying it fast, but I think out here in the open space I should be able to get it moving. And sheesh, motorcycles running by. And so I'm just curious as to how this thing is going to fly out in the open space. This is my first time bringing you guys along. Let's get it. I think you can put this guy in acro mode as well, but I'm not familiar on how to get that running on here. So let's check it out. So it has two rates. I think we're in the highest rate already. Let me see. No, we're in the high rate now. You guys see that? It flies a little weird for me. It seems like it flies heavy or whatnot. And so it doesn't seem like it'll be a good flyer for acro mode to me. With the lack of power that it has, doesn't really have a lot of authority on the flight. Whoa! And this guy attacked me. I guess it didn't like what I was saying about it. And this flasher, let me throw it on the flat surface real quick. I don't think the battery is going that quick, is it? It's flashing. Let me see, maybe I hit a button that I wasn't supposed to hit. I don't know, it's flashing like crazy. This is the yaw, so it has a decent yaw, but it just doesn't have a lot of power as far as flying. So I think the battery is spent. This is full throttle, guys. Hardly any power on this thing. And I think I remember looking at a video from RC Adam. He got it in acro mode, and he got some motors from Micro Motor Warehouse, and he was telling me, well, he was saying that it was flying a little more powerful, a little better with the Micro Motor Warehouse motors. Oh, and it's suffering from that vortex ring state that I was telling you guys about. So really nice yaw rate on it. I like the yaw rate, but as far as the pitch and all, and it just fell out of the sky on me, guys. I guess the battery is completely spent. But it controls a little wonky for me, and not a lot of power from the props and all, or maybe it's the motors, I'm not sure. And I think Micro Motor Warehouse, that company isn't in business anymore. I don't think you can get those motors anymore. So I don't know what I'm gonna try to do with this guy. I think I might try to change the propellers. The propellers are the weird kind that have the screw in the side though, but I think I still have some of those type of propellers that I can try on it. And so I'm also thinking about trying to figure out, or maybe I'll go back to the RC Addict video and see how he got this thing in acro mode, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, I think he did say that he got his in acro mode. Hopefully mine is the same type of Dromida Ominus. It seems like it seemed like it might have been updated. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure with it. Thanks for watching.